What's going on? Jesus is the best. It's your boy Mo Fresh. I'm gonna teach you guys really quickly how to get your snares to break out in your mix. I know that was a big problem for me when I was coming up, trying to make my own music, trying to make stuff happen. Is how to get your snares to really snap. You know what I mean? Like how do we get that to break through? So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in this video. This is the song I made. I did a remix to Miss the Rage. It's called I Don't Miss a Rage. But anyways, I'm going to play just a little snippet of it and the mixing. I'm only going to break down the snares today.
Yeah, $2,000 is on me. All of my brothers stay with me. They right on my sleeve like a homie. Yeah, if you gon' trust up about me, get stuffed in a Chevy and fall over. That was my whole life. I pray to my God and I'll get him to solve it. Yeah, I'ma pull up in the talkie. You know that I'm really on.
Okay. So there's a lot going on in this video. I'm gonna break down just the drums right here for you guys. Here's a quick hack. Add a distortion to any snare that you guys have. And I turned the this knob for the distortion for Logic all the way up. I put the drive up. And then this is what's really gonna help you guys as well, is put everything to a bus. So get your snare, put it to a bus, and then add a bit crusher to the bit crusher acts as like a limiter without having to duck your sound. So it's like a hard clipper. And then I have a LA2A to whiten the sound. So without it, A and B it. And the secret as well is make sure that for any instruments that you guys have playing, so make sure that you have any sort of sidechain on it. So sidechain of any of these things. And for instance, you could sidechain every part of it. I send sidechains to my snare. If you guys don't have the Wave products, which is what I'm using, you can use a simple, it's in Dynamics, I believe, compressor. You can use just the Platinum or the VCA and sidechain it. And with the sidechain, you add in, whatever snare you want to use or whatever you want to sidechain. And I would double it, like if I want to hear multiple things in the mix, then I'll put multiple compressors sidechaining to the different things. So snare, then a kick. And you want to do that, and it'll literally bring your snare out, guys. But the big hack is you got to make sure to add a distortion on your snares. Adding a distortion on your snares, I can't tell you guys enough how much that will boost your drums in your mix. So again, make sure to add distortions on it. Look, I have distortions on all my snares so that you can hear it break through. So snares, I have a distortion on it plus a bit crusher at the end as acting as a limiter. And make sure, again, you want to bust everything out because it will help your mix, trust me. So I'll play it for you.
Yeah, $2,000 is on me. All of my brothers stay with me. They right on my sleeve like a homie. Yeah, if you gon' trust up about me, get stuffed in a Chevy and fall over. That was my whole life. I pray to my God and I'll get him to solve it. Yeah, I'ma pull up in the talkie. You know that I'm really on.
So you can hear the difference when I A and B, no distortion with the mix, and I put it on. So again, guys, this is the best. It's your boy Mo Fresh. That's how to make your kick snap. All right.